So, good day. Welcome to Beauty Care Nail Care Services NC2. And I am your assessor, Maria Melissa Leon Moises. Today, I will guide you through our session on manicure and pedicure services. Before we start, please sign the attendance sheet and the progress chart. So, this is our training center, the Technological University of the Philippines. This training is under the Technological University of the Philippines, which aims to provide quality technical education and skills training. So, this is our mission and vision. For the mission is to provide effective competency-based training in manicure and pedicure by promoting proper techniques, safely sanitation, and professionalism, enabling trainees to perform skills confidently and meet industry standards. For the vision is to be competent and professional beauty care trainer who develops skills, individuals capable of delivering safe, high-quality manicure and pedicure services in the industry. So, for the CBT framework, our training follows the CBT process. First, I will introduce the topic, then discuss the skill, and you will practice it, and I will assess your performance and give feedback. So, let me introduce first the CBT layout. This is the learning area, contextual learning area, and the practice area, and then the institutional assessment area. For the next is the CBT principles. First, competency-based. Training is based on industry standards and required skills. Next is learner-centered. Focuses on the trainee's needs, pace, and participation. Next is perform-based. Emphasizes actual demonstration of skills. So, for the role of trainer, facilitates learning, demonstrates skills and procedures, and evaluates trainee performance. So, for the role of trainee is to participates actively, practices the skills, and demonstrate competence. So, this is the qualification, the beauty care services, nail care, and CT. This is there are 3 competencies. First is basic competencies is participate in workplace communication, work in team environment, practice career professionalism, practice occupational health and safety procedures or OHS. And for the common competencies is maintain an effective relationship with clients or customers, manage own performance, apply quality standards, and maintain a safe, clean, and efficient work environment. And for the core competencies, we have perform manicure, perform pedicure, and perform hand and foot spa. So this is our learning content, perform manicure and pedicure. For the objectives, at the end of this session, you are expected to identify the different tools, materials, and equipment used in nail care services, demonstrate proper steps in performing basic manicure and pedicure, and apply proper sanitation, safety, and hygiene practices during the service. For the introduction of manicure and pedicure, please read.
Nail Manicure services such as manicure and pedicure are essential parts of pedicure service and safety. A manicure focuses on the proper care and grooming of the hands and fingernails, while a pedicure focuses on feet and toenails. Both services involve cleaning, trimming, shaping, cuticle care, and polishing of the nails to maintain good hygiene and enhance appearance. In this lesson, we will learn the correct step-by-step procedure for performing manicure and pedicure, including the proper use of tools and materials. We will also emphasize the importance of sanitation, safety practices, and professionalism when providing services to clients in a salon setting.
Thank you. Okay, now I will present our learning content again and guide you through the session. So please proceed to the learning resource area and read the information. Huwag mo na kunin yun. So let's begin our discussion. Please. I will ask you one question. Why is sanitation important in nail care services? So, thank you for your answer. That is correct because sanitation prevents infection. So, may take a 15-minute break and proceed to the practical work area after. So now, I will demonstrate the proper procedure and the task is performing manicure and pedicure. So the objective of it is to correctly perform the procedure using proper tools and safety practices. So these are the tools and materials we will use and I will now perform the step-by-step procedure and please observe carefully. First is the PPE. Okay, you get it? Now, it's your turn to perform the task and I will observe your return demonstration using the performance criteria checklist. Open. Please proceed to the institutional assessment area for oral questioning. Are you ready for your feedback? Okay. I notice your strength is you perform the step correctly. And for improvement is please improve your sanitation procedure. Overall good job. So we are now in the institutional area. Please sign the attendance sheet. So, um, I will now explain the assessment process, and you will be evaluated based on your knowledge, skills, and proper performance of nail care services, especially manicure and pedicure. Make sure to follow the correct procedures step by step. So for safety reminder, always follow safety procedures and do's and don'ts during the assessment. Next, yes, I will now observe your performance. Please begin. I will now ask you some questions related to the task. So, what will you do if the client is uncomfortable? Okay, very good, thank you. So, for the written test, please answer the written test. You are giving enough time to complete it in 5 minutes. Are you done? Thank you. And now, are you ready for your feedback? You did well in handling tools properly, and you need improving in shaping and practice smoother execution. So the result is competent. Now I will record your results and ask you to sign the rating sheet. So this concludes our training session, and please fill out the evaluation form. Thank you and congratulations. Okay na yan. 18. Pagod na ako. Tangin na basang-basa na yung ano ko. Ay, gago di pa na.